Part 6, Detective Novel, Explanation and Examples. Detective novel. What's this? Detective novel, a type of popular literature in which first a crime is introduced, then it is investigated, and finally culprit is revealed. So three things are most important. A crime takes place, investigation is pursued, and finally the culprit is held responsible for the crime he has committed. That is here in detective novel. We have 5 elements are generally included in detective novel. And what are those 5 elements? The first one is it must have perfect crime, then wrongly accused suspect. Then in the beginning of the story, we wrongly suspect another person. Third one is incompetent attitude of police, and normally the police are incompetent to find out the truth in detective novel. Greater powers of observation and superior mind of the detective. So since the police fail to investigate the crime in a perfect manner, in an objective manner, so the responsibility of the police is taken by the detective to find out the truth and investigate the crime. And the last one is surprising result, and that is what makes detective novel very interesting, that the result is very surprising at the end. We have examples of detective novels. Sherlock Holmes, very famous example of detective novel by Arthur Conan Doyle. The Moonstone by Wilkie Collins. And the third example is The Moving Toy Shop by Edmund Crispin. These are some of the best examples of detective novels.